This is Of the African DNA, your hub for exploring Africa's influence on global culture, history, and civilization. Let's get into this. Welcome back to Of the African DNA, where we continue our journey through the incredible continent of Africa, exploring the history and future prospects of its diverse nations. Today, we delve into the vibrant West African nation of Ghana. Ghana is nestled along the Gulf of Guinea, bordered by Côte d'Ivoire to the west, Burkina Faso to the north, Togo to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean to the south. Early history. Ghana's early history is a tapestry woven with migrations, innovations, and the rise and fall of civilizations. Long before the arrival of Europeans, diverse ethnic groups established societies with complex social structures, unique traditions, and advanced knowledge of agriculture and metallurgy. Ghana was a vital node in the trans-Saharan trade routes. These networks connected Africa's interior to its coasts and beyond, facilitating exchanges of goods, ideas, and cultures. The importance of gold, kola nuts, and other regional commodities positioned Ghana at the heart of this ancient economic web. The region that is now Ghana has been a melting pot for various cultures and people, including the Guan, Moldogbon, and the powerful Akan, each leaving an indelible mark on the region's history and culture. Ancient kingdoms. The ancient kingdoms that emerged in this region, notably the Ashanti Empire, were renowned for their sophisticated governance and military structures. The Ashanti Empire, with its powerful Obinkanfo warriors and astute leaders, controlled vast territories and maintained a rich, vibrant culture. The empire's wealth was legendary, primarily due to the abundant gold resources, which also fostered intricate artistry and craftsmanship in goldsmithing and metalwork, earning the area the name the Gold Coast. Ancient architecture and technology. Ghana's ancestors were adept builders and technologists. They constructed formidable forts and palaces using locally available materials, showcasing advanced knowledge of architecture and engineering. Some remnants of these structures, such as the Larabanga Mosque built with mud and reeds, still stand as a testament to their architectural prowess. The traditional architecture often reflected the social and cultural values of the communities, with buildings serving both functional and symbolic purposes. The ancient people of Ghana developed advanced metallurgy techniques, including the smelting and forging of iron and gold, crafting tools, ornaments, and weaponry that were intricate and durable. They harnessed the power of fire and air to manipulate metal, demonstrating a deep understanding of the material properties and transformation processes, which were crucial for societal development in agriculture, warfare, and artistry. Colonial period. During the colonial era, the British exploited Ghana's resources, implemented oppressive policies, and stifled local traditions and customs. However, Ghanaians resisted colonial rule, with traditional leaders and communities engaging in both passive and active resistance. The shadows of the triangular trade, especially the brutal transatlantic slave trade, loom large over Ghana's colonial history. Coastal forts, like the Elmina Castle, bear silent testimony to the millions of Africans forcibly taken from their homes, forever changing the socio-cultural fabric of the continent. The relentless exploitation and cultural assault galvanized nationalist movements and paved the way for the quest for independence. Struggle for freedom. Kwame Nkrumah played a pivotal role in the fight for freedom, advocating Pan-Africanism and nonviolent protests. His leadership, coupled with the tireless efforts of other nationalists, culminated in the attainment of independence in 1957. Nkrumah's vision and policies had a profound impact not only in shaping modern Ghana, but also in inspiring other African nations to pursue freedom. Post-independence challenges. Ghana faced numerous challenges post-independence, including coups, economic instability, and corruption. However, it has transitioned into a stable, democratic nation, exemplified by peaceful transfers of power through elections. Ghana's political landscape has witnessed stalwarts like John Atta Mills, John Mahama, and Nana Akufo-Addo helm the nation. Their distinct leadership styles and policies have steered Ghana through challenges, ensuring a stable, prosperous future for its people, culture, and people. Ghana is a melting pot of cultures, home to various ethnic groups including the Akan, Moldogbani, Ewe, and Gadangme. Ghana's spiritual heartbeat is as varied as its landscapes. While Christianity predominates, a significant number of Ghanaians practice Islam. Additionally, traditional African religions still flourish, intertwining with modern beliefs and offering a unique religious mosaic. English is the official language, but indigenous languages like Twi and Ga are widely spoken. Education. The roots of Ghana's education system trace back to British colonial times, but it has evolved to represent the nation's identity. Today, a blend of global best practices and Ghanaian cultural values ensures the younger generation receives holistic, relevant education. Ghanaians are celebrated for their vibrant traditions, warm hospitality, and colorful festivals such as the Homowo and Chalewot Street Art Festival. Artistic and musical contributions. Ghana is a bastion of vibrant arts and music, contributing unique genres like high life and hip life to the global music scene. Traditional dances like Adawa, Kapanlogo, and the infectious Azonto are not just performances, but narrate stories, beliefs, and the very ethos of the Ghanaian people. Traditional art forms, including kente weaving and adinkra symbols, reflect the rich cultural heritage and philosophical depth of the Ghanaian people. Modern Ghanaian artists continue to explore and redefine artistic expression, blending tradition with contemporary influences. Culinary heritage. Ghana's culinary landscape is as diverse as its cultural tapestry, offering a plethora of flavors, textures, and aromas. Staple dishes like jollof rice, waki, and fufu, paired with rich, spicy soups, reflect the culinary creativity and traditions of its people. The Ghanaian cuisine, characterized by its bold flavors and the use of indigenous ingredients, continues to gain global recognition, enriching the world's gastronomic scene. Wildlife and environment. For nature enthusiasts, Ghana is a paradise to be explored. The dense canopies of Kakum National Park and the savannas of Mole National Park are home to diverse wildlife. These natural sanctuaries underscore Ghana's commitment to conservation and its bountiful ecological heritage. Economic development. Ghana is experiencing promising economic growth, buoyed by stable governance, diverse natural resources, and a burgeoning technology sector. Cocoa and gold remain significant exports, but sectors like tourism and oil are increasingly contributing to the economy. Beyond its historical and cultural riches, Ghana pulses with modern energy, particularly in the technology sector. The burgeoning startup ecosystem, dotted with tech hubs and incubators, is a testament to Ghana's forward-looking vision and its ambition to be a digital pioneer in the region. Challenges and opportunities. Like many nations, Ghana grapples with issues such as unemployment, inadequate healthcare, and educational disparities. Nonetheless, its youthful population, innovative spirit, and rich cultural heritage position it as a country with immense potential for the future. Diaspora. Ghana shares an umbilical bond with its diaspora. Initiatives like the Year of Return in 2019 rekindled ties with descendants of enslaved Africans. The intention is to explore the shared heritage and to open new avenues for cultural and economic collaboration. In conclusion, Ghana's story is a rich narrative of ancient innovations, powerful empires, and resilient cultures. Its early inhabitants laid the foundations with their advancements in governance, architecture, and technology, creating a lasting legacy that continues to inspire. From the gold-rich Ashanti Empire to the architectural marvels and technological ingenuity of its ancestors, Ghana stands as a living testament to Africa's rich past and boundless potential. The nation's journey from colonization to independence exemplifies the enduring spirit of its people, and its cultural contributions in art, music, and cuisine continue to enrich the global tapestry. As our journey through Ghana unfolds, we invite you to delve deeper, to explore its streets, converse with its people, and immerse yourself in its rhythm. Whether through books, travel, or engaging with the vibrant Ghanaian diaspora, let Ghana's tale inspire you. Join us as we continue to explore and celebrate the diverse histories and cultures of the African continent on Of the African DNA. Stay tuned for more enlightening content on the fascinating countries that comprise this beautiful continent.